Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the world of digital payments, specifically focusing on a platform gaining traction in the UAE, Mamo. So, the big question, is Mamo legit? Can you trust it with your hard-earned money? Let's unpack this question together, exploring Mamo's features, security measures, and reputation to give you a clear picture. Why Mamo? The rise of digital transactions. The UAE is witnessing a digital revolution, and online transactions are booming. Whether you're a freelancer sending invoices, a business owner managing payments, or simply someone buying things online, a secure and reliable payment platform is crucial. This is where Mamo steps in. It promises a user-friendly experience for both businesses and individuals, allowing for features like easy invoice generation, create invoices with or without VAT in a snap, streamlining your business processes. Seamless payment links, generate unique payment links for customers to settle their bills instantly. Global payment acceptance, Mamo boasts support for various currencies, facilitating international transactions. Contactless convenience, embrace the future with secure QR code payments, eliminating the need for physical cards. The trust factor, security and regulation. Security is paramount when dealing with online payments. Mamo claims to prioritize user safety with a security by design approach. Here's what they offer. DFSA regulation. Mamo is regulated by the Dubai Financial Services Authority, DFSA, a trusted government body overseeing financial services in the UAE. This adds a layer of legitimacy and consumer protection. Industry certifications. Mamo underlines their commitment to data security through industry standard certifications and third-party attestations. Continuous monitoring. They emphasize ongoing testing and adherence to best practices to fortify their systems against vulnerabilities. Beyond the claims, user reviews and transparency. While Mamo presents a compelling case, it's important to look beyond their marketing materials. Here's how we can get a more well-rounded picture. User reviews. Independent review platforms like Capterra and GetApp UAE can offer valuable insights from actual Mamo users. Look for both positive and negative experiences to understand the platform's strengths and weaknesses. Transparency in pricing. Mamo's website should clearly outline their fee structure. While some reviews mention competitive rates, others suggest their fees might be slightly higher compared to some competitors. The verdict, is Mamo right for you? Based on the information available, Mamo appears to be a legitimate platform with strong security measures and regulatory oversight. However, the decision ultimately depends on your specific needs. For businesses, if you're a business in the UAE looking for a user-friendly platform with features like instant invoicing and global payment acceptance, Mamo could be a good fit. However, compare fees with other options to ensure you're getting the best deal. For individuals, if you're an individual in the UAE looking for a secure way to make online payments, Mamo could be a good option as long as you're comfortable with their fee structure. Remember, it's always wise to do your own research before trusting any online platform with your financial information. Read user reviews, compare features and fees with other options, and make sure you understand Mamo's terms and conditions. With that said, thanks for watching. Until next time, stay safe and secure in the exciting world of digital payments.